Make the selected TreeNode bold without owner drawing. Basic code demonstrating how to make the selected TreeNode bold without owner drawing. The following code uses the TVIS_bold constant to make the selected node bold. Unit 1. Interface uses Windows, Messages, SysUtils, Classes, Graphics, Controls, Forms, Dialogs, ComCtrls, type TForm 1 equals class, TForm, TreeView 1, TTreeView, procedure TreeView 1 change, sender, TObject, node, TTreeNode, procedure TreeView 1 changing, sender, TObject, node, TTreeNode, var AllowChange, Boolean, private declarations, public declarations, and var form 1, TForm 1. Implementation uses ComCtrl, $r*.dfm procedure SetNodeBold, node, TTreeNode, MakeBold, Boolean. var item, TTVItem, template, integer, begin if assigned, node, then begin if MakeBold, then template equals -1 else template equals 0, item.mask equals tvif_state, item.hitem equals node.itemid, item.stateMask equals tvis_bold, item.state equals item.stateMask and template, TreeView_setitem, node.TreeView.handle, item, and procedure TForm 1.TreeView 1 change, sender, TObject, node, TTreeNode, begin SetNodeBold, node, true, and procedure TForm 1.TreeView 1 changing, sender, TObject, node, TTreeNode, var AllowChange. Boolean, begin SetNodeBold, TreeView 1.selected, false, and